The triple call.
If you have a smile on your face, an upbeat attitude, you could do almost anything and say almost anything to your customer, and they will be very accepting of it. Now, if you have a great sales process to back that up, even better. We get a little crazy sometimes, especially in live classes when we are selling vehicles. If an internet lead comes in, it doesn't matter if we have 10 people in the room or if we have 100 people in the room. We'll call the buyer. If it goes to voicemail, we'll call the buyer again for the second call. If it goes to voicemail, we'll often call the buyer again for the third time. In this case, when we made the phone call, we had somebody answer the phone that was working at the hospital. And they said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I missed your calls. I'm at work, I'm at the hospital." This person wasn't upset. This person was happy to take our phone call. They're the ones that went to the website. They're the ones that put their contact information in. And as long as you call them fast and you call them with the information they want, chances are they are never going to be upset at you.
I look forward to seeing you Friday.
So stop worrying too much. Stop being afraid of what people that you've never even met are going to think. They asked you to call them, so call them. And if you have the best product, and if you truly take great care of people, and if you have an awesome value for the customer, you're going to feel like you're disservicing them if you don't get them on the phone.